big city of Venus, Texas. I am a professional children's trainer. I do lots of children's activities, including birthday parties, company events. But in addition to that, I have lots of animals that live at home with me. This is Mikey, the capuchin monkey. Mikey, you want to wave to everybody? Say hi. Say hi. There we go. He's a 7-year-old black and white capuchin monkey. He's going to show you some tricks.
I have 3 monkeys. I have Mikey, I have Timmy, and I have Brian. And all of my monkeys like to watch TV. You guys like to watch TV?
The first thing he's going to do is pretend like he's Ricky Ricardo. Watch this.
Bunch of y'all. Well, Mikey knows a baseball player. He might not know how to play for the Texas Rangers, but, you know, you never know. Yeah, really. There we go, yeah! Oh, look at that, yeah!
Mikey's going to play basketball for you. Come on, Mikey. 1, 2, 3. What? Good job. Let's do one more shot. Come on, Mikey. One for the keeper. Woohoo! To learn to pick up his own toys. So he's going to let him put your toys up. 1, 2, 3, no dawdling. 4, 5, and 6. Good job!